Welcome to Tasha Teaches. Let's make some Instant Pot chili. I'm using the Costa Rica spicy red pepper olive oil. You can use any oil you like. We're going to use the saute function on the Instant Pot to brown our meat and onion. So I like to use ground beef and ground lamb. Once you get your meat and onion browned, you're going to add in your remaining dry spices, your minced garlic, and your chopped red bell pepper. I forgot to add my red bell peppers, so I'll do that now. You're going to give it a stir, and then we are going to add our tomato sauce. My recipe uses 3 cans of tomato sauce. That makes this more of a zingy chili. If you want more of a hearty flavor, you might use 1 less can. Then you're going to add in some diced red tomatoes. These are canned from my garden over the summer, and some pinto beans that I canned last winter. If you are more of a cowboy chili person, you can omit the beans. It's not a big deal. I also like to add a touch of maple syrup. I just think it adds a lot of flavor. If you like a spicy chili, you could add some cayenne or some chopped jalapeno. You just saw me add a bit of bone broth. Now we're going to set our Instant Pot to cook on high pressure for 15 minutes and make sure you have that keep warm button turned off. Here I'm chopping my chili with some fresh homemade ricotta and some fresh chopped green onion. You can really top your chili with anything. It's just what I had on hand. Instead of adding a lot of spice to my chili, at this point I'll also use some of that spicy red pepper olive oil on top. That way I can get mine a little spicier without getting my kids spicier. Link to recipe is in description below. Enjoy!